Welcome to the ship terminologies. Before we start our video, we would let you know about the definition about a ship. A ship's defined as a floating vessel which is self-propelled and capable of carrying cargoes or passengers, which is used for transportation. Next, floating craft which transports cargo for the purpose of earning revenues. In addition, ships are generally categorized based on use, their types of cargo, and the method by which the cargo is loaded. Bow. The bow or the front section of a ship is typically designed with a pointed and tapered shape that slopes upward. This design helps the vessel cut through the water, more effectively reducing drag and making navigation easier. By splitting the water, the bow minimizes friction, allowing the boat to move more efficiently. Starboard. Starboard is the right-hand side when facing the bow of the vessel. Starboard side refers to the right side of a sea vessel. Let's preview with the 3D animation. A galley kitchen is a long, narrow kitchen layout characterized by having to parallel walls of kitchen cabinets. This kitchen layout gets its name from the cooking area on a large ship known as a galley. A ship's galley is known for providing optimal function and efficiency within a limited space. Galley kitchen area where food is prepared and cooked for the crew and passengers, often compact, equipped with necessary cooking facilities. A superstructure on a ship refers to the parts of the ship that are above the main deck. This includes areas like the bridge, accommodations, and other structures built on top of the hull. The superstructure is important for housing the crew, navigation equipment, and other essential facilities. It also contributes to the ship's overall stability and seaworthiness. A bridge or wheelhouse is a room from which the ship can be commanded. Besides that, it will be an area from which the ship is controlled, typically containing navigation and communication equipment. The bridge is manned by an officer aided usually by an able seaman. During critical maneuvers, the captain will be on bridge. In the context of a ship, a deck is a horizontal surface that extends across the hull, providing a working platform and structural support. Decks can serve various purposes, such as housing equipment, providing space for cargo, or accommodating crew and passengers. Ships typically have multiple decks, including the main deck, which is the principal upper deck, and additional decks above and below it for different functions. Anchors can either be temporary or permanent. Permanent anchors are used in the creation of a mooring and are rarely moved. A specialist service is normally needed to move or maintain them. Vessels carry one or more temporary anchors, which may be of different designs and weights. A propeller is a mechanical device with blades that rotates to propel a ship through water. It converts rotational energy from the ship's engine into thrust, pushing the ship forward or backward. The design and efficiency of a propeller are crucial for the vessel's speed. When the helmsman or an automatic system turns the rudder direction of the vessel's movement by altering the flow of water around. A funnel on a ship refers to the smokestack or chimney used to expel smoke and exhaust gases from the ship's engines or boilers. It is a crucial part of the ship's structure. directing the emissions away from the deck to ensure the safety and comfort of the crew and passenger. The depth of a ship, also known as molded depth, is the vertical distance measured from the top of the keel, the bottommost structural element of the ship, to the top of the deck, beam at the side of the uppermost continuous deck. This measurement is crucial for understanding a ship's capacity and stability. Draft, the vertical distance between the waterline and the bottom of the hull keel, indicating how deep the ship sits in the water. Draft is used in under-keel clearance calculations, where the draft is calculated with available depth of water to ensure the ship can navigate safely. Aft is located at the back of the ship. The function is it gives a specific direction in relation for toward the bow, which is front of the ship. It plays a vital role in its operation. Bulkhead, vertical wall or partition that divides the interior of the vessel into compartments. Help with structural integrity, contain flooding. Improve safety by limiting the spread of fire or water. Keel is the structural member and backbone of a ship dock. It also be a centerline of the bottom. Hull from the bow to stern. Mast can be a tall structure designed to support antennas for telecommunication. Broadcasting radio. Mast, a vertical pole on a ship which supports sails or rigging. Radio equipment. Bilge, the lowest part of vessels, situated below the waterline where the TW side of the ship hull. Bilge pumps to prevent ship from flooding and ensure stability. Hull is the watertight body of a ship. Port is a side of a boat, is the left-hand side of a vessel. Stern is the back part of a ship, opposite the bow. It plays a critical role in ship design and navigation. Thanks for watching this video.